Inna the jungle, yeah man. Me hear the drum from far away, call me soul to pray. Rhythm deep, me spirit high, jam music never die. Me feel the bass in on me chest. Jah give me race. Every strike a truth revealed. Rasta strength unsealed. Me see the youth them start fi dance. In a trance of chance, every heart they join the sound. Unity abound. Me remember the elder song. Say keep the fire strong. Me no bow to vanity. Only Jah me family. Music heal the broken soul, make the people whole. Me chant for the humble and weak, Jah voice them see. Heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Roots vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One sound, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. Me walk where the river flow, hear the ancient echo. Each beat a story told of courage bold. Me close my eyes, me feel Jah grace, love upon my face. The rhythm strong, the chant real, Jah power me feel. The crowd that sing the night ignite, pure delight. Every heart align, peace define. Drum beat carry the flame, call Jah name. No man can steal the sound, Rasta all around. Yeah, heartbeat of the drum, tell the world where we from. Root vibration deep, Jah promise we keep. Heartbeat of the drum, call the spirit come. One song, one love, one ground, Jah rhythm all around. When silence fall again, me feel the peace within. Heartbeat fear, but still it Jah love always comes.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal Jah shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt His name. No more sorrow, no more chain. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high. See deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land. Sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake. Sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away. Sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free. Sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and wide. Sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down. Sky uplift Jah, holy crown. Rain may fall, yet seed will grow. Sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide. Sky of freedom, never hide. At the sunset, gold and red. Sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep. Sky of Zion, never sleep. Generations one by one. Sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear. Sky of freedom, always near. Shine, shine, sky so high. Lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true. Sky of Zion, guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright. Shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall. Sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free. Sky of Zion, cover me. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Shia reggae, yeah, man. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Aye, 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 aye. Hey. Night unfold with gentle grace. Lanterns glow in every place. Me breathe a calm so full and deep. Feel me worries fall asleep. Me walk through streets lit soft and red. Quiet thoughts inside me head. Shopkeepers hum tunes low and warm. Peace around like healing storm. Me stop fi sip a tea so sweet. Warmth run gentle through me feet. The lantern sway above me slow. Tell me take your time and grow. An elder carve a piece of wood. Shapes of meaning understood. He tell me patience carve the truth. Both fi old and both fi youth. Me watch his hands create a face. Filled with wisdom, filled with grace. He smile and pass me carved design. Say carry this and you'll align. Where song of the quiet lanterns bright. Guide me through this softest night. Glow upon the weary soul. Help the broken parts feel whole. Lantern song so calm and pure. Help me heart endure. Shine the pathway deep and long. Wrap me spirit in your song. Children paint with laughing tone. Color bursts like seeds once sown. The walls tell stories bold and free. Murals of the community. We touch the colors drying fresh. Feel the joy through every mesh. Each stroke shine like morning spark. Bright against the creeping dark. Midnight breeze comes soft and slow. Let the lantern shadows flow. People gather side by side, sharing tales with modest pride. Me join and feel this circle's peace. All me tension find release. Night become a world of art. Healing deep within me heart. Blow your truth in gentle tone. Light the places left unknown. Every lantern softly say, you are guided on your way. Song of the quiet lanterns bright. Guide me through this softest night. Glow upon the weary soul. Help
Yo man. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Before the dawn me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under just sky. Every thumper heartbeat true, ancient calling too. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still attack, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth, light for the youth. When the drum beat call me name, me answer flame. Me see the people gather round, feet moving pon sacred ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace, for Babylon release. Every sound a healing tone, from flesh to bone. Drum no lie, tell Yahweh, night and day. Voice of the drum call we home, beat for the last and lone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum mighty strong, right, erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide we true. Me feel the spirit move my soul. Drum restore control. It chant for justice, chant for right, turn darkness to light. Each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear. Me let go pain, me let go pride, truth inside. Me know the drum come from the earth, sound of rebirth. It speak a language words can't tell, sacred as a bell. From the roots to the crown of man, it reveals Jah plan. Every beat a living prayer in the air. When the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight, only light. Truth, voice of the drum call we home, beat for the last and alone. Carry the word, carry the flame, all in Jah name. Voice of the drum mighty strong, right, erase the wrong. Rhythm pure like morning dew, guide we true. Truth, voice of the drum eternal song, keep the people strong. Let the world remember still, Jah only will. Me rest me hand pan skin and shell, hear the story well. Voice of the drum never done, beat till kingdom come. Ay 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 ay, ay 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 ay, ay 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 ay, ay 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 ay. Cool breeze blow through the night, bring calm, bring gentle light. Every sound talk history, nature tell its mystery. Me Me stand pon the hill and listen keen. Hear voices hidden but ever clean. Wine tell tales from ancient times, carried through forgotten rhymes. It speak of unity, one strong, of hearts that knew right from wrong. Me close me eyes, feel the flow. Wisdom drift wherever it go. Me walk the coast where waves collide. Ocean speak with rhythm and pride. It tell of journeys brave and wild, of Mother Earth so soft and mild. Me hear the wind repeat the song. Keep faith strong, stay brave, belong. Every whisper teach me more. Open me heart, open me door. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone. Feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend. Show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise. Hear the world with open eyes. Me journey deep through forest green. Watch how life move calm and serene. Wine shake leaves in dance so sweet. Nature drum keep perfect beat. It tell me all your strength and stand. God is so like sacred land. Me breathe the healing deep and slow. Let the energy freely grow. Me cross the plains where dust fly high. Wine drop patterns in the sky. It call me name in gentle tone. Make me feel me never alone. Every place me walk or roam. Wine remind me about me home. Lift me thoughts, me worries ease. Bring me heart eternal peace. Close your eyes and let it speak. Its wisdom strong, its voice unique. Let the breeze erase the pain. Bring sunshine after rain. When the wind start whisper low, let the ancient knowledge flow. Hear the truth inside the tone. Feel the message in your bone. Wind a guide, wind a friend. Show the way until the end. Listen close, let spirit rise. Hear the world with open eyes. So when wind pass through your gate, know it carries something great. Let it lead you gently on, till new dawn bring brighter sun.
Hear that sound from far away. Heartbeat calling night and day. Not just rhythm, not just tone. It's speaking bold, it's speaking bold. Before word, before pen. Drums speak truth to women and men. It carry message, carry pain, carry hope through sun and rain. When mouth can't say what heart feel, drum reveal what real is real. Near ancestors talking loud, through skin and wood they speak aloud. Every beat a memory, every pause a mystery. Drum don't lie, drum don't fake. It only tell what heart can take. Hear the drum, feel the call. Ancient voice inside us all. Hear the drum, loud and free. Speak the truth of history. In the night when silence falls, drums still speak beyond the wall. Call the lost back home again. Heal the soul, remove the chain. No language barrier
silence feel too loud. Remember drums still beating proud. Long as heart and earth still hum, we are never really numb. Na na na. Me step on the earth with respect and pride. Feel the heartbeat deep inside. Every grain of sun, know me name. Every flame, remember the flame. Me breathe slow, me mind align. Earth and spirit intertwine. Me see the city grow cold and grey, still replace where trees once stayed. But me still hear the rhythm below. Roots still pulse, roots still grow. Babylon talk loud but hollow. Truth whisper soft but follow. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Hear ancient drums in the soul. Them sell illusion wrapped in gold, but wisdom can't be bought or sold. Me learn from soil, rain and sun. Life cycle never done. Every seed me plant with care. Carry prayer in a year. From dirt to fruit, from pain to grace. Creation move at its own pace. Fire in the soil, burn bright and slow. Roots run deep, let wisdom grow. Fire in the soil, pure and strong. Ancient truth we walk upon. Let's see the youth, them searching light. Lasting screen glow every night. They say, look down, not just enough up. Earth still teach us how to love. No rush, no race, no fear. Time move different over here. Listen close, the land still speak to those who humble, not the weak. Me chant for balance, not control. For heal mind and peaceful soul. When storms come, me stand firm. Like roots that twist and never burn. Fire warm, not destroy. Use with heart, it bring joy. Ancient code inside we live. So much still left to live. Fire below, fire within. Not destruction, discipline. When you walk with reverence and care, hurt yourself and prayer. Fire in the soil, burn bright and slow. Roots run deep, let wisdom grow. Fire in the soil, pure and strong. Ancient truth we walk upon. So plant good seed wherever you go. Let love be all you show. When fire meets soil, life unfolds. Story ancient, never old.
Ay, 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 ay. shepherd a rustic hymn, echo strong across the rim. He said this mountain shape me mind, teach me patience, keep me kind. Me take his words and hold them tight, carry them into the light. A pot a rest beside a spring, crafting bowls with gentle swing. She tell me balance, craft the way, give as much as you display. Me watch her shape the spinning clay, calm but powerful in every sway. Her hands tell truth in silent speech, share a lesson, action teach. Which flame of the mountain heart burn bright, warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep, give me strength me need to keep. Mountain flame of ancient lore, light me steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace, make me heavy worries cease. Me reach a clearing far and wide, where elders sit side by side. Them reason bout the days gone by, share the wisdom never die. Me sit and listen every part, feel the fire warm me heart. Them stories roll like timeless drums, show where every blessing comes. The sunset blaze upon the peak, paint a view beyond unique. Villagers climb up the trail, together strong, together heal. Them chant a chorus rich and pure, carry unity secure. Mountain glow in evening hue, hold a meaning deep and true. Rise like fire through the cold, hold your courage brave and bold. Every ember shape your day, burn the darkness far away. With flame of the mountain heart burn bright, warm the soul through coldest night. Guide me when the path feels steep, give me strength me need to keep. Mountain flame of ancient lore, light me steps forevermore. Burn with purpose, burn with peace, make me heavy worries cease. So when life feel faint or hard, call the mountain as your God. Flame will rise and light your view, show a path both strong and true.
Jah bless the land and the people, your man. Deep within the sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not by might, garden grow in Jah light. Living roots entwined so free, carrying love eternally. Whisper soft, a breeze of peace, garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace, feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care, garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign, medicine of Jah divine. Water pure, flowing still, garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise, healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again, garden heal the heart of men. No more
The needle drops off grapple sound. Sacred ground, baseline hum through wooden wall. Feel it all, old records spin truth again. No pretend, lyrics cast tricks through time. Pure design, me light up, I'm no rush, no race. Find me space, music teach me how to breathe. I believe digital world move too fast. Nothing lasts but analog soul stay warm. Perfect farm, every tune a living thing. Root spring, history talk through drum and string. Everything, chalice and vinyl, slow vibration, pure meditation. Chalice and vinyl, chalice and vinyl, hearts aligned, timeless time. Me hear elder voice in a bass from them ears. Sound system preach more than speech. Truth reach me, nah need spotlight or stage. Just page me, write me life in rhythm line. Authentic sign, dust pan cover, sleeve half torn. Still reborn, every scratch a memory. Legacy, me no follow hype or trend. Roots defend, Charlie smoke girl life prioritize to the skies. Music no lie, music no sell, break spell. It heal where doctor can't explain. East Bay, chalice and vinyl, slow vibration, pure meditation. Chalice and vinyl, chalice and vinyl, heart aligned, timeless time. When the record reach the end, silence still me friend. Chalice and vinyl, slow vibration, pure meditation. Chalice and vinyl, chalice and vinyl, heart aligned, timeless time. When the record reach them.
Them sell illusion, them twist the tale, them hide the truth behind the veil. Them talk about justice, but still deceive. The people suffer while them thief and leave. Them print the money, them buy the soul. Them push corruption, them take control. But the time I come, the people wise. The real foundation can't compromise. Me see them talk, but them can't walk. Them set the trap, but me can't get caught. The wicked plan, but Jah design. The righteous rise in a due time. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. Me look around, me see the scheme. Them poison the youths with false dream. Them promise gold, but give with brass. Them sell the future, but we can't lose. The history book, full of deceit. Them rewrite the past, them try to delete. But we ancestors chant it strong. The knowledge live, it can't be gone. Them push religion to keep we down. But Jah within, him wear the crown. No church, no pope, no false decree. The spirit free eternally. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. The wicked fear when we unite. The darkness fade when we hold the light. The system weak, the foundation shake. the truth reveal, the blind awake. The people know, the people feel, the righteous stand, the message real. No more games, no more tricks, we chant it down, no politics. From Africa land to Kingston town, the revolution can't be drowned. The message strong, the heart them pure, the youths them rise, Jah love endure. We chant it loud, we chant it clear. The time is now, we can't have fear. The table turn, the fire spread, the wicked run, the system dead. No matter what.
Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like man in mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laugh in a yard, pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trad it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from.
No, no, no. Kingston cushion on me long brother.
Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of joy unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tune. Drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east unto the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echo ring. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. Night and fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jahan. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift me soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drums remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating true and free. Drums of Zion unity.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes, feel the bass line deep. This reggae rhythm wake you from sleep. Light up the chalice, slow and wise. We travel far beyond the skies. Me nah fly plane, me ride the sound. Me leave me flesh, me soul unbound. Me float on clouds, me reason star. Jah kingdom not far, it's right where you are. Nobody stop this cosmic gate. Me spirit move in timeless state. Meditation guide the route, while drum beat chant out sacred truth. Rasta astral flight, hold tight. We blazing love, we blazing light. High grade in a chalice, firm in sight. We levitate through Jah divine night. No gravity can hold we down. We wear the herb like royal crown. Rasta flight, no end. no start. Jah navigation lead me heart. Me touch Saturn, reason with moon. Sing praises under cosmic tune. Them can't block this vibration ride. Me soul no hide, me not divide. Me meet me ancestors in a light. Them say keep chanting your future bright. Them hand me drum, me hand them flame. Together we beat Babylon shame. Stars whisper secrets in a ear. Me see so clear when me not fear. Ganja leaf expand me view. Me see me purpose, me path, me crew. So light it up, no be afraid. This herbal wisdom long time made. It not just I, it's ancient code. Unlock your soul, walk your road. Breathe in slow, hold your vibe. Feel your presence, start to scribe. The rhythm guide, me body sway. But me soul a travel far away. Rasta astral fly through space. We chanting strong in Jah embrace. No dark force can dim this glow. We shine like sun, high and low. Take a draw, then let it be. The spirits rise eternally. Rasta flight through sound and flame. No passport need, just Jah name. Me see planet Earth from far above. So much pain, so little love. But in a heights, me find the key. Rasta way, set a mind free. Me chant one love for the human race. Me chant more peace in a every place. Me chant them wake from mental trap. Me chant till Babylon wall collapse. So when you smoke, not just get high. Use the herb, fee open your eye. Give thanks, reason, listen well. Jah live inside where truth a dwell. Astral flight, we rise above. No hate, just urban roots in love. We no chase fame, we seek light. Reggae meditation in the night. So if you're ready, step inside. Let Rasta rhythm be your guide. Close your eye, inhale Jah flame, and ride the wave. No fear, no shame. Zion echoes, vol 5 complete. The message strong, the rhythm sweet. Next journey soon come. Hold on tight till then. Keep flying through the EA night.
Aye, aye, aye.
Zion is the reggae king, yeah man.
Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek. Bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain. Only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, finding
Oh. Na 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 na. Whoa. Whoa. Midnight coming, lanterns bright, shine through shadows, warm the night. Soft light dance upon every stone, guide the weary safely home. Me walk the lane where silence sing, hear the flutter of night bird wing. Lantern flame reflect the soul, make the broken spirit whole. Me feel the peace soak in me skin, wash away where pain have been. Quiet moments deep and slow, teach me truth me need fi know. Me pass the harbor by the sea, lantern sway so gracefully. Fishermen cast line with ease, hum a song upon the breeze. Life feels simple, life feel real. Moments like these help heart heal. Lantern light reveal the way, keep me strong through every day. Lanterns a midnight glow so warm, guide the soul through every star. Shine the path where hope still grow, lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep, guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing pure and true, light the darkness all night through. Me sit beside the river bend, feel the night become me friend. Water shimmer in the light, turn the shadows soft and bright. Me breathe slow and understand, peace reside in Jah own plan. Every flicker, every gleam, show me life not just a dream. Me see the town in quiet rest, for family is safe, their hearts feel blessed. Lanterns hang upon every gate, calm the mind, remove the weight. Light connect both old and young, glow ignite each spoken tongue. Night become a sacred space, full of tender holy grace. Hold the lantern, hold it near, let it chase away your fear. Walk the path with steady glow, move with strength where shadows go. Lanterns a midnight glow so warm, guide the soul through every storm. Shine the path where hope still grow, lift the heart with gentle flow. Lanterns bright in night so deep, guard the dream while angels sleep. Glow of healing pure and true, light the darkness all night through. When the dawn begin to rise, lantern fade from tired eyes, but the peace it brings shall stay, guide you through another day.
Before the sunrise glow, feel the rhythm in me soul flow. morning breeze, whisper truth. Jah voice, guide me youth. Earth still turning, still alive. So me rise, me strive. Me walk through the street with calm in me chest. World full of pressure, but me still blessed. Babylon talk loud, but me not hear. Me lacking faith, me vision clear. Them try to break me spirit down, but me roots run deep, me na solid ground. Me heart beat steady like bassline slow. Old school rhythm, let it flow. Me see the youth, them searching for light. In a dark time, still ready for fight. Me tell them truth, nah come overnight, but patience bring victory inside. Me nah chase gold, me chase peace. From mental slavery, me seek release. Every scar teach lessons strong. Life a rhythm, sing along. Fire in the heart, blazing bright. Guide me through the darkest night. Fire in the heart, pure and true. Shall love live in me and you. Me sit on that tree where elders speak. Words them strong, wisdom deep. Them tell me son, hold your ground. Don't let the world turn you around. Me carry message, not for fame, or for uplift the people name. Me chant for those who lost them way, bring them back to brighter day. Me see the struggle every place. Tears still fall toward human face, but hope alive in simple things. In morning sun and birds that sing. Me nah give up, me nah retreat, even when the road feel incomplete. Faith and love, me only shield. Truth me weapon, heart me feel. When the night feel cold and long, we sing redemption song. Jah light shine through the storm. Keep me spirit warm. Every step me take with care, knowing Jah always there. Fire in the heart, blazing bright. Chase away the darkest night. Fire in the heart, strong and true. Jah light living through me and you. Fire in the heart, never die. Lift the soul, make it fly. Fire in the heart, till the end. Jah love with the fed. So when the road get rough and long, remember this song. Fire in the heart, remain true joy and pain. Jah guide his steps each way, forever I stay. Na na na, na na na. Night falls slow on the land. Stars write stories in sand. While words sleep deep and still, roots awake beyond will. Roots don't sleep, then listen deep. While mind drift far in dreamland sleep, they feel each footstep lie and truth. They know what time can smooth. They need concrete, they need stone. Roots still whisper you're not alone. They feel them hum under my feet. Low vibration, slow and sweet. Even when the world look numb, roots still hum, still hum. No spotlight, no applause, just natural, ancient laws. Roots never sleep, never die. They watch us from beneath the sky. Roots never sleep, never no claim to fame, still carry life the same. They remember every scar, every war, every star. So me tread soft, walk aware. Every step is sacred prayer. Me speak truth, me walk clean. Cause roots see everything. When noise get loud and mind feel weak, roots still speak. They say slow down, repeat. Life is more than what you see. Roots never sleep, never die. They watch us from beneath the sky. Roots never sleep, never lie. They keep the reason why. When world feel lost and out of tune,